Hello and welcome. Today I have an iPad which I'm gonna pretend it's disabled by keying in a wrong passcode. So there are several different ways to get into the iPad, and I'll be making different videos on each and every method, so that way the viewers they don't get confused. Which one which method is good for them. Anyway, it's showing right now iPad is disabled. Try again in 5 minutes. So you know that if after 5 minutes you key in the password wrong again, it's gonna say 10 minutes, and eventually it keeps going. The time keeps going up and up, and then it says disabled forever. So today I'll be getting into the iPad, using iTunes. And in order to do that, I'll show a little demonstration, on the iPad, and then I'll be switching over to my laptop. So to connect it to laptop, all you have to do is press and hold the power button and home button. I hope you can see the home button. It's a little bit dark here. So iPad will turn off. You keep holding it, and you'll see the Apple will come back on. You still keep holding it, and then eventually it'll show connect to iTunes. So that's all you have to do. Is you see it says support apple.com/iPad restore. So after this I'll be switching over to my laptop, and So as you can see on the iPad now, the progress bar is showing and Apple came back on. And from here, all you have to do is just set it up again from scratch. It's like a new iPad. And when it asks to restore data from iCloud, what you can do is you can restore your data, whatever backup you have on iCloud, it will come back on. So you select your country and go through all that information. I don't want to go through that, those steps. Is pretty easy, you can do it, and see you later in the next video.